Hey guys, how you doing today? So what I want to show you guys today is how to check the ball joints, your uppers, I don't know if you can see that, and lower ball joints on any car. This just happens to be a Honda. So jack up your car, and what you need is a shovel, preferably one of these spade shovels, nice and flat so it fits underneath the wheel. And some people say use a crowbar, but this method I find works the best. So you jack up the car and you slide the shovel underneath. Now if you go like this with your hand, you know, you can't see the bottom ball joint. You can see the top, but you can't see the bottom. So what I like to do is get that under the car. The spade shovel's underneath, and there's the lower ball joint, and there's my upper ball joint. Pretty simple. And you have the sped bar end links here. You can check those too. The thing is, if you shake your wheel back and forth like a lot of people tell you to do, or wiggle it up and down with your hands while it's jacked up, you're not putting any weight on the wheel. So the best thing to do is, with your spade shovel underneath, put your foot like this, lay down on the front of the car. Don't get under it, because you know there's no point in getting under if you don't have to. And what you do is you jack up, I use my right foot here, push down on the wheel, and by doing so you move your wheel up and down, just like as if you're on the road. Just come underneath here, and you want to check and see if you have any vibration or movement, separation here between this ball joint as I move my leg up and down, and this is quite tight. And then you want to do the same for the upper. So here's, actually my boot is pretty shot here, but you know what, it's tight because I've already checked it. But when I reef up on it, there's no movement between the joints here. Every time I switch my summer snow tires off and rotate my tires, I always get under here, since the car's up anyway. Just do a quick check, and if there's any movement here, I change them. So that's how I do it. Very simple. All you need is a shovel. Just get underneath, using your leg to bounce up and down, just like I'm doing here. You can see everything easy, just like as if you were going over some speed bumps. Anyways, that's how I check my upper and lower ball joints. Thanks for watching.